It's the first of the month, payday. Your bank account is finally looking healthy. You feel invincible. This time, I'll be smart with my money, you tell yourself. Then, $12 latte, because why not? $40 dinner delivery. Cooking is exhausting. $100 shopping spree, you deserve it. By the end of the week, you're broke again. Rent is due. Bills are laughing at you. And now you're scrolling TikTok, watching millionaires flex their lifestyles, wondering why you're stuck in the same cycle. Here's why. Money isn't math, it's psychology. And your brain? It's playing against you. Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money explains how your emotions, not your paycheck, determine whether you're rich or broke. So let's fix your money mindset before your wallet starts sending SOS signals. Meet Jake. Jake has a PhD in finance. He understands stocks, bonds, market trends, and risk management. He even writes about it online. Jake is also broke. Now meet Tom. Tom barely made it through high school. He works a simple job, doesn't know what diversification means, and has never checked the stock market. Tom is also rich. What happened? Jake made emotional decisions. He tried to time the market, panic sold when stocks dipped, and spent like his bank account had infinite lives. Tom followed one rule: spend less than you make and invest the difference. Here's the truth. Financial intelligence does not equal financial success. Broke geniuses overthink. Rich fools keep it simple. Lesson: if you want to be rich, stop chasing complex strategies. Start managing your impulses. Ever heard of the lottery curse? A guy wins $10 million overnight. 2 years later, broke. Worse than before. Why? Because money doesn't fix bad habits. It amplifies them. If you suck at managing $1,000, you'll suck at managing $1 million. If you chase fast money, you'll lose it just as fast. The rich stay rich because they think long-term. They understand time builds wealth. Take Warren Buffett. He started investing at 11 years old, became a millionaire at 30, became a billionaire at 56. 99% of his wealth came after his 50s. Not because he was lucky, because he was patient. If you're looking for quick money, you're looking for quick losses. You see him on Instagram. Rolex, Ferrari, exotic vacations, and you think, I need to hustle harder. Here's the reality. He's probably drowning in debt. Because real wealth isn't loud. It's silent. Real wealth is waking up when you want. Real wealth is not stressing about bills. Real wealth is having control over your time. The people who flex wealth are usually just showing off their payments, not their assets. Which one do you want? The stock market drops. The news says, recession incoming. Panic, chaos, sell, sell, sell. Then, a few months later, it bounces back. The economy recovers. And guess what? The same people who sold in fear buy back in at a higher price. This is why most people lose money in investing. They buy high when it feels safe. They sell low when it feels scary. Meanwhile, the rich stay calm. They know the market moves in cycles. Panic is temporary. Patience wins. Lesson: ignore your emotions. Stick to your plan. Stay in the game. You think billionaires are fearless? Nah. Jeff Bezos constantly prepares for disasters. Elon Musk sleeps at Tesla factories because he knows things could fall apart. The richest people? They act like they're always one step away from losing it all. Because money doesn't reward risk takers. It rewards survivors. The moment you think I can't lose, you already lost. It's 11 p.m. You're in bed, scrolling through your phone. A 22-year-old just made $1 million selling digital courses. A TikToker bought a mansion at 25. A crypto bro retired at 30. Meanwhile, you're just trying to afford rent. Here's what social media doesn't show you. The thousands who tried the same thing and failed. The lucky break that made them rich overnight. The hidden stress of keeping up that lifestyle. Comparison is the fastest way to feel like a failure. Your only competition? You from last year. Before you say, I don't make enough to save, let's check your spending. Uber Eats every week? 5 streaming subscriptions? Upgrading your phone when your old one works fine? That's thousands of dollars wasted. Housel's trick? Small money habits compound. Saving just $5 a day equals $1,825 per year. Investing that, $30K plus in 10 years. You don't need a bigger paycheck. You need better habits. Want to be rich? Spend less than you make. Want to retire early? Invest and wait. Want to stop stressing over money? Control your emotions. No shortcuts, no hacks. Just basic, boring habits that work. The real question is, are you going to do it? Or are we having this conversation again next year?